What do you call the most powerful stimulant? A. Erythrocylon coca. B. Heroin. C. Beta-eucaine. D. Cocaine hydrochloride. Answer D. Cocaine hydrochloride. What is the most important constituent of opium? A. Morphine. B. Heroin. C. Codeine. D. Cocaine. Answer A. Morphine. What drug is known as the assassins of the youth? A. Heroin. B. Cocaine. C. Marijuana. D. Shabu. Answer C. Marijuana. Which of the following is a drug known in the street as angel dust? A. Mescaline. B. Dithyltryptamine. C. Phencyclidine. D. Psilocybin. Answer C. Phencyclidine. In acute cases, withdrawal of drugs causes serious illness, also called abstinence syndrome. It is also otherwise known as A. Psychological dependence. B. Physical dependence. C. Drug addiction. D. Cold turkey. Answer D. Cold turkey. It is defined as a crime where a person of respectability and high social status in the course of his or her occupation commits the criminal act. A. Labor crime. B. Organized crime. C. High-collar crime. D. White-collar crime. Answer D. White-collar crime. The group of crimes categorized as violent crimes and property crimes are called A. Conventional crimes. B. Non-conventional crimes. C. Felony. D. Offense. Answer A. Conventional crimes. These crimes are also called moral offenses or vice. Many of these crimes generally refer to public order crimes, an offense that is consensual and lacks a complaining participant. A. Victimless crimes. B. Consensual crimes. C. Sexual crimes. D. A and B only. Answer D. A and B only. Penitentiary generally refers to A. Prison. B. Place of confinement. C. Penal colony. D. All of this. Answer A. Prison. 1. Under the custody of lawful authority by reason of criminal sentence is A. Prisoner. B. Inmate. C. Internee. D. All of this. Answer D. All of this.